Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for buses on the Greyhound application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this booking button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Go to the top and first of all tap on the from box to select your departure point. So type it in into the search bar and select your destination. So you should type it in and then click on the departing box to select your departure date and then your return date. Click on the number of passengers and click on the search button down below to search for the available buses. So here you can see the result. Click on it to check it out in more details. Tap on select this trip and after that you will be able to proceed to check out. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.